Okay, so I know a couple weeks ago we talked about capitalization and commas and different things, but today I just want to review certain things about capitalization, certain rules that you're not familiar with. So we know that we capitalize an I. We know we capitalize the beginning of a sentence. We know we capitalize months and days of the week. Official titles of people, for example, like right here, Mr. or Doctor. We capitalize the first letter of that. But one thing I really want to talk about in fourth grade, it says and holidays. We capitalize holidays like Christmas, Halloween, Valentine's Day, all those things, Easter, 4th of July. But I want to talk about in fourth grade, we capitalize the names and places of historical periods, events, and documents. So, like the other day, we were working on a thing in class, and it said what was it? Maybe it was the Bill of Rights. I can't remember what it was. But we had to capitalize the B in Bill and the R in rights because it was the official name of something. It was an important document, so it was capitalized. We capitalize historical periods and events, so that would be like the title of wars, or the name of wars. Anytime there was like a big march, if it had a special name, civil rights movement, all of that would get a capital letter at the beginning of it because it was a very important time. So it gets a very important capital special letter. That all ran together. We also capitalize titles of books, stories, and essays. And I know that we've gone over this before, but what parts of the book do I capitalize? Do I capitalize like the entire thing? No. Do I capitalize every single letter that's in the first letter of each word? No. The only words you capitalize are going to be the important words. And you're thinking, well, they're all important. It's the name of its title. It's a book. They are, but we don't capitalize simple words like and, the, or, of, like right here. We would not capitalize those parts. So you notice here, Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix. So I would capitalize Harry and Potter, and it's a name, order because it's not a simple word, and Phoenix because Phoenix is telling it's part of the title. And so those would be capitalized, not and, of, the, or, those kinds of words. Also, you capitalize languages, races, and nationalities. And I know that we looked at that recently. So anytime they're talking about food, Mexican food, the M would be capitalized. The language, they speak French and English. Therefore, I have to capitalize the first letter of French, the first letter of English. So anytime it's a nationality or a race or a language and you hear like African, Chinese, Hispanic, Hispanic would be. Anytime you see those kinds of things, German, those would all be capitalized. So you're going to do a little bit of practice this week. I just want to introduce that to you. So just make sure that when you see the capitalization stuff, like again, historical periods and documents, they're all capitalized, but only the important words. Same with titles of books, stories, and essays. Only the important words are capitalized.